JetStream special. We're comparing first class seats versus private jet. The real difference. Now, you board first class, glass of champagne, the owl whispers, a stranger beside you scrolling through their phone. It's luxury until the curtain closes. The lights dim, and you remember you're still sharing space. Now, imagine walking straight across the tarmac, no lines, no waiting. The engines hum for you. You drop your bag, take your seat. The cabin feels like your own world. No boarding group, no seatbelt light drama, just peace. 40,000 feet above the noise. That's not status, that's freedom. JetStream show you what it really costs to turn first class into your own sky. JetStream complete.